Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, please consider subscribing, but you guys know what time it is. We're going to be talking about none other than Pepe itself, see what is happening, because what is happening right now is absolutely mind-boggling stuff, for meme coins to be specific, not just Pepe, Shiba Inu, Dogecoin, Bonk. You can literally see it on the daily time frame. Majority of the coins in the crypto space are seeing a little bit of a retracement because we did see Bitcoin dominance skyrocketing because Bitcoin went up to $67,000. You've heard that correct, but let's waste no more time and discuss Pepe, see what is happening, and of course what we could be expecting at this point. So if we're looking at on the daily time frame, Pepe is up 23.6% on the daily time frame, with the price currently sitting at 72.65, with still about 5 zeros in front of its price. But like I said, it's up 27.8% over the past 24 hours in USD comparative, and 20% in Bitcoin and Ethereum comparative over the past 24 hours. So exactly what we've been talking about, the $3 billion market cap. I was saying that I could see Pepe entering the $3 billion market cap quite easily, and you're looking at Pepe at $3.1 billion market cap as of March the 4th, and the 24-hour trading volume is currently sitting at $4 billion. So you can pretty much see, Pepe has been on this upwards trajectory. In the last 7 days alone, it's up 325%. And guys, it's coming after some of the strongest coins in the market right now. So, is this area where you should be locking in profits? That's what we're going to be discussing today and talking about whether or not we could see more upside as well. So you want to sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. And as always, just a quick disclaimer, anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So we're going to start off by looking at Pepe's holder count, 170,570, so about 2.8% increase in the holder count over the past 24 hours. And again, this should not be coming as a surprise to any one of you at this point, because, we are seeing FOMO in full effect. And I still personally believe we are not seeing the FOMO that we will see after the Bitcoin halving, especially in quarter 3 and quarter 4. But, this should just be, an indication as to how fast things can turn around. But what I want to really focus today on is this. So meme coins are exploding right now, with the market cap of the entire meme coin market sitting at $60 billion. Yes, you've heard that correct. We have seen, if you want to put this into perspective, in just the last 24 hours, we have seen, guess what? Any guesses what I'm about to say? Okay, if not, I'll tell you. $10 billion has come into the meme coin market. Yep, you've heard that correct. We're seeing Dogecoin sitting at 24.8 billion. We're seeing Shiba Inu sitting very close to Dogecoin, which is quite surprising to me. And then Pepe at 3 billion, and Bonk is not too far off at 2.5 billion. So, the battle is between the two over here, and you can really see how much, gains these guys are making right now. This is absolutely insane to even think about. But we're going to be discussing whether or not, we could be reaching the top very soon. And, that is what I'm going to revolve this conversation around today. So you do want to watch until the end. So like I said, of course, the holder count is increasing. This should not be a surprise to any one of you. But, we're going to start off with Bitcoin dominance. So you see this massive spike in Bitcoin dominance. Why is this the case? Because Bitcoin hit once again a new yearly high. Exactly what we've been projecting all over the past weekend. I was saying if Bitcoin continues this momentum that it's seeing, and it's able to hold this momentum over the weekend, we will see Monday being huge. And as a matter of fact, as Monday started, we saw Bitcoin pushing towards a new yearly high, and we're very close towards all-time highs. And this is absolutely, crazy to think about. But, dominance going up like this, of course, after a Bitcoin move will impact altcoins. But if you're looking besides some of these meme coins, majority of the altcoins are not outpacing BTC right now, and again, that is to be expected. But let's take a further look at Bitcoin and see where we are. I cannot make this up, guys. Just look at this. Bitcoin is sitting at the resistance back on October 19th, 2021. This resistance is quite large, and obviously if this resistance is able to break out, off we go towards all-time high, and all-time high is only 3.7% away from our current price level. So this is really, really exciting. Bitcoin has shocked the entire world right now, the entire financial sector, not even the financial sector. Honestly, everyone at this point is just shocked at the fact that Bitcoin is already sitting in the 23.6, ready to break out towards all-time highs before the Bitcoin halving. And yes, I think in the next few maybe hours even, we could see a new all-time high because of the momentum that we're seeing. And the best confirmation that I will get is if we're able to close the March 4th daily candle here. If it's able to close here, guys, all-time high is very, very close. But now let's take a look at Pepe. Pepe is going insane. You've heard that correct. It's going absolutely mad. You can see, we are almost about to kill one more zero. We went all the way up to 82.43, and at this point, guys, it's just continuously going up. And this is where you need to start asking yourself, how much more can it really go? How much more is it really sustainable? If you really want to put this into perspective, from February 19th or 20th, we are up about 600%, guys. It's a 600% gain. And once you start retesting some of the projects, especially entering in the top 30, that's where you kind of need to start drawing a line. And I'm speaking based off of my personal opinion. At this point, a lot of people, don't get me wrong, a lot of people are making massive gains with Pepe and other meme coins, but you need to draw that line eventually. If you don't, then you will get burned out. You will get burned out. Of course, more upside could happen because, of course, the reason as to why I think more upside could happen is look at where Bitcoin is right now. Bitcoin is literally towards all-time highs. And of course, if Bitcoin breaks out, we could potentially see more upside for altcoins in USD comparative. But at the same time, as we know, recently we're seeing meme coins outpacing majority of the market, including some of the good altcoins. So what we could see happen is if Bitcoin pushes out into price discovery mode, this is going to impact the dominance index. I think dominance index could hit a new yearly high as well, because of course, more momentum is on the Bitcoin side, and this could impact altcoins, and we could see profit taking happening from altcoins going back into BTC. So if you're already at some massive profits, it does not hurt to take some off the table. It's very, very important to lock profits in when you see these types of gains, because obviously when the bear market starts and the price were to retrace, people ask themselves, why did we not lock in profits? Why not this? Why not that? Well, the opportunity is literally right in front of your eyes. As of now, yes, the overall price is looking good. We could see more upside. We could potentially see another zero being taken out of the price of Pepe, which is a move of about another 42%, which would put Pepe's market cap around $4 billion. But that's where I think we will see a cool off starting. And even if you do lock in some profits and the price were to go up, you need to realize that you did lock in profits, because it's not going to go this like this straight forever all the way up to Valhalla. I hope you realize that these are times a lot of people have been waiting for, and it is here for people to actually enjoy and actually lock those profits in. But let me be one thing clear, this is not sustainable if it just goes straight up. There is bound to happen a pullback, so I would lock in profits. But that's just me giving you guys a tip as to what I would do. But if you don't want to lock in profits, that's all up to you. I still personally think we could kill it at 1-0 depending on BTC, but profit locking would not be a bad thing as of now. But that is it for today's update. Of course, we'll let you know what happens. Do let me know if you guys agree with me, if you guys disagree with me, if you have a different take on this. But other than that, it's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.